there with the Lion Foot TV. I don't know if I pronounce that as my TV. Shell! Boy, pick up Spank Shell.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless everyone, greetings, viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, land and lioness. All proud Jamaican. Big up on yourself. Anyone there across the world, diaspora, Jamaican, the local and abroad. Yeah man, the vlog is purely about the Reggae girls them. My second vlog at the World Cup. Big up all the World Cup women's football. All of the country them will take part. Boy, I tell you, the female them talented, you see? Yes man. But right now this is only and solely about Jamaican Reggae girls. You know we're proud to be a Jamaican. As me I say so. Yeah man, the Reggae girls. Second in the table, 4 points. Me I tell you, a good look. I watched the match yesterday and I'm very happy. I'm a pleased man. Proud Jamaican. Don't go nowhere. We are forward.
Welcome to Kingston. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Mobile, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Big up on yourself. Thanks for saying if you're still here. Don't forget to like and share the content. So me I say please click the like button, And if you feel like you subscribe and click the bell, you just do so. You see, so you don't miss the content when I drop one. You see? Yeah man, so the Reggae girls, they beat Panama 1-0 yesterday. I mean I tell you, it's a nice game, intense game. One thing with the Reggae girls, them 2 games now that I've watched, I see them have stability. Them can fight for each other. We just need some finishing touch and decision making. Them need to bet upon them decision making. Sometimes them all held on to the ball too long. Them have to know when to pass, when to hold it. You know what I mean? Yes, and when for execution the pass. You see it. But as I say, maybe that will get into them as time goes on. Yeah man, Reggae girls. The next game they play on Wednesday, and that's against Brazil. Brazil lost to France yesterday as well. It was a physical game. The French they played a physical game against Brazil. I know it's like Arsenal. To get Arsenal off of them stride and for them not to have a good game, you have to bully them. Kick them, rough them up, physicality. And that's how the French played the Brazil yesterday. Brazil won the first game, I think about 6 or 7 against Panama. So may I say so. Jamaica, yeah man, Jamaica have a big chance. It won't be easy, but they have a chance of going to the last 16. As them create history already, scoring them first goal, get them first point in the first game when them draw with France. That's the first history of Jamaica make, the woman team. Then the next history is winning yesterday, them beat Panama. So me I say, so Panama gone home. So the French are going to beat Panama. No doubt. Even though, no disrespect to Panama, but slim chance of them winning against the France, who's the champion for the World Cup, for the last 2 World Cups. See? Yeah man, so Jamaica, Brazil. Jamaica is currently on 4 points, Brazil on 3 points. The French on 4 points. So Jamaica they only need a point. The Reggae girls only need a point. And Shaw, the up front, the striker, she's the Man City striker. She's gonna be back after her ban, a red card ban. So she go forward back. And she hold the ball up good. And we just need to score some goal now against Brazil. You see me? Yeah man, defend. And try to catch Brazil on the break, because Brazil need to win. See me I say? Jamaica only need a point. So my fellow Jamaicans out there want to like and share the content. Yeah. Send it round. Lion Foot TV, I tell you, say, yo, support the Reggae girls them. You see me I say? Support the Reggae girls them. And make sure you not beat the pad cover. Make sure you not watch our video on yourself. See? In the Jamaica colours. And big up to all of the Jamaicans them who turn up who represent at the World Cup. See? Yeah man. So a good luck for the Reggae girls them. And big up to all women. I highly respect all women, you know what I mean? of nation and creed and culture, whatever. Women's football is evolving right now. I would say equality, equity, diversity, unity, strength, empathy. Zine, yes man, anything the women them can do, anything men can do, women can do it too. But we don't say woman fear one bag of man. But I will not tell the man them fear one bag of woman neither, but you don't know. Yeah, but I love see away. But I don't know, lion foot, you know, some love run it off more time with you, the fans them. But let me know in the comment section if you're watching the World Cup and if you're enjoying it and if you're supporting Jamaica or which team are you supporting to win the World Cup. You know what I mean? If I'm in Jamaica or England, but you know what I mean? Yeah. So shout out to the English girls who are represent for Jamaica. I play for Jamaica. You know what I mean? Ace Swebe, she scored the goal yesterday, 1-0. And as me say, Kadisha Shah, she's gonna be back. The forward, the striker, Man City striker. You see me? So hopefully we can get the point where we need to qualify, to reach to the last 16. You see me? Yes man. So let me know what you think in the comment section, my viewers and subscribers, and you know, let me know what you think. And please check out my EP, Welcome to Kingston EP. You see me? I say, I just say a thing there, man. Yeah, man. Blessed love, Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie. I live in love and peace. Yeah, man. Big up the Reggae girls and once more. Big up the Reggae girls and once more. Right now, you make me proud because we want to create history. The first ever point in the World Cup. You see me? I say, yeah, man. And 4 points. So we see Germany lose today. Germany lost today. Colombia give them a tough game. Yeah, man. I'm love how Colombia play. Them not play nervous. Them look for them pass and pick out them pass. You see me? I saw football for play. You see it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, Lion Foot, you know, it's a blessed Sunday to each and every one. Holy love and respect. Your support is highly appreciated. See? Appreciate love. And remember, we are relish, and we are cherish, and we are root for Jamaica. If we get the point where them need over Brazil, you see it? Yeah, man, that's the thing, there, man. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie. Big up all proud Jamaicans. Yeah, man, anyone there in the world, in the diaspora. So, my peeps, I don't know the thing already, you know, big up on yourself, you know, once again, you know, guidance and protection. I don't know, thanks for your time if you watch the vlog to the end. Thank you for your time. Saying your support is highly appreciated, and I don't know, big up on yourself, man, I well received, and man of peace. So, me I say, yes, man. Unity and strength, you know, that's the only way, you know, equality, you know. Big up on yourself. Until next time. Boom.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom, boom, I represent. Can't tire the dance, I check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%.